Hi, my name is Francis, and if you're a content creator like myself, I have three small little channels. You want to increase your engagement and grow your channel. So I was really excited to find a app that's cloud-based called Taja AI that use AI technology to help optimize your YouTube videos, and it does it very quickly. So I am on the main page and I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what it has to offer. As you can see, you need just your URL of your channel, and of course, make sure that you have your YouTube studio connected. And all you do is add that on and you get instant title, and the title is based by viralness and it gives you a viral score. I'm going to show you all this in a demo soon, and it has smart description and chapters. I love the chapter because this usually takes me such a long time, especially if I have a long video and I think there's a funny part I want to highlight. That helps your users come back. They don't have to rewatch the whole video, so it helps the users return. I think it's a wonderful feature. Sometimes I must admit I get lazy and I don't do this, but this does it for me. So I was really excited to see this. And of course, YouTube tags will help you with your ranking in YouTube. It will help you with search. You don't have to second guess, what people are using. So this does all the thinking for you. And thumbnail is a very great feature, and all you do is just download and upload into your channel. So enough of me talking, and let's dive in and do some work. So now we're on the main page of Taja, and the dashboard is very intuitive. All you do is put your URL in here. So I've looked at my little channel and I see which videos don't do well. And this one doesn't have that many views. So I'm going to try to optimize this. I'm going to take Control C and then come in here, paste it in, Control V, and I could set the tone to what I want, but I'm going to leave this blank for now, and I'm going to hit Optimize, and I'm going to do this in real time so you could see how quickly it does this. So what it's doing is it's telling you, it's analyzing your content, analyzing your data, your keywords, and it's going to generate suggestions based on viral scores. So what you're going to first see is 5 top titles by its score. And if you like it, you could choose it. If not, you could regenerate. So it says go to YouTube, still processing. So I'm in here. Okay. Optimize again. I like how it's telling you what it's doing. So as you can see here, it has the top 5 choices by viral score, and you could select the one you like. So Baby Abe's First Climb, Caught on Camera, Baby Abe's Adorable Antiques. I think I like this one, so I'm gonna, even though it's not a top score, I'm gonna click that. And then going down, you could see here, Caught on Camera. It shows you how it looks, so you could preview it and make a decision. And title, continue, studying your chosen title. So now, based on the title, I think it's going to generate my content for me, for my description, and identify my chapters if my video is long. And it's building like relevant tags. So I love how it's telling me all the steps that it's going through to help optimize my video. And then voila, you go down to description and it says get ready for a dose of cuteness overload. Watch the most adorable baby you ever seen. So I could actually go and edit this. So I'm going to take it out because I like very simple, and I like all the little icon emoji. What's that? Emojis that it creates, and it tells you, reminds you to subscribe. And it also adds in like the hashtag. And this is my favorite part right here is, oh my God, the channel, having the chapters. and you could re-optimize if you don't like this. So I'm going to re-optimize just to show you. There we go. And then you could see here, there's different tags that you could have, dancing monkeys, and of course you could edit this too, or you could check if you like it. And you can also re-optimize if you don't like that, and you get more options. Animal behavior. Okay, and then here you could generate your thumbnail visuals. And it's going to give you some options. Now with the thumbnail, it's not going to sync directly to your channel. You're going to have to download it and then upload into the thumbnail. And it also adds in your title into thumbnail and also gives you options without the title too. I'm always excited to see what type of thumbnails they have. So I'm going to hit close, and then you can see here your thumbnails. So for the purpose of my channel, I like realistic photos because I'm all about photography, and my audience they know the animals, they watch the journal, and they would prefer to have like an updated picture. But if you are a different type of channel, then this can work for you depending on what your content is. And then of course, lastly, you could just sync this into YouTube, and it says, let's talk about the prices for this. Now there's a wonderful deal on AppSumo for $49, the view plan. And then for tier one, you get all the features that are listed here. What we showed you, the description, automatic chapter, control, collaboration, and it's a lifetime access to this. And it gives you for title generation, description. So this is like the lower tier plan. If you have a small channel, you want to just dip your toes in, I suggest this. I actually went for the maximum code, which is 4 codes, because I have the 3 channels and I like to, have the option of having unlimited. And it's 196 to me. I feel like it's a great investment and it saves me a lot of time in the future. So I really don't mind having this. But if you don't want unlimited and you're just diving in, maybe choose plan 2, for 8 videos a month. I think that sounds fair if you're just starting off. But it has good ratings. It has 5 tacos on AppSumo. That's awesome. Has 34 reviews. I think you can't go wrong with this. I can show you. I did a test one day where I just uploaded 2 videos, and I optimized and one I didn't optimize, and the one I optimized had lots more views. So I could show you the date. I believe it was these two. So 13 days, 13 days. So what I did was I did a full 40-minute video, and I did a short clip of that comes from this video of a funny. So when I optimize it, this is the title gave me, the cutest sibling gorilla captured, and something I would never think of, because usually I use the name of the gorilla because they know it. But on YouTube, I noticed that if the more generic you are, the more that it would increase your search. It would broaden the audience. So in turn, I would have never thought to say sibling. I just say Moke and Zara. But to the general public that are learning about gorilla or learning about this new gorilla family, they're not going to look up Zara and Moke. So I think that that's genius, that they gave me this title. So it helps me think about my future titles too, not to be too specific, But of course, I added Moke and Zara for the audience that know, the gorillas that watch and know them. So in turn, this one had 3.5, 3,000, around 3,000 views. And I mean, this is really nice. And then the other one, I didn't optimize at all. And you could see like the difference on the same day, the same content. I have only 429. So I'm going to continue to use Taja, and I just wanted to share with you because I think it's wonderful. I bought it with my own money. I mean, I was, hesitating, like, oh no, I don't want to go to tier 4, but I did it because I said, oh, I'm just in love with this. It's just so worth it. But anyways, let me know if you use it, if it saves you time, saves you money. I mean, it's going to really help me make more videos because it's saving me a lot of time. But thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.